We are going to talk about elevated hides. We're going to talk about handling, and we're going to cover about covering ground efficiently. I find the biggest conversation normally when I talk to someone with a small dog is that they are stressed or frustrated or don't kind of lost with elevated hides because we feel like, and it's real, is even an advanced level AKC with a 3 foot hide, that is way above a Chihuahua's head, right? And so it is very much an elevated hide, and it happens very early in competition. So we have to teach these concepts a little bit earlier, and maybe in a normal class setting, or when you're just training and you're trying to follow guidelines, a 24-inch hide on a chair is above the dog's level. It's almost similar to a retriever with a hide on a table, right? And so we're a foot shorter than everybody else. So how do we work these elevated hides? And I think they come up early and they come up frequently when we have small dogs. We are going to talk about handling and how handling can be a problem when we have a smaller dog. And then covering ground efficiently, I think, is one of those hidden problems that cause us stress, cause us to handle differently. Maybe don't trust our dogs necessarily, or maybe we have to build some trust and some work ethic from those start lines and understanding what the dogs are experiencing. This hide is easily expanding. It's a warm day. And so all of this, but what we saw is it kind of had a little bit of a shadow effect. So right in this space, it really didn't have a lot of odor information for this dog to work. And so she had to come back out, grab that information again. Yep, verified. It is that direction. The only thing that's up in that direction is this pole. So if I'm worried about my small dog not being able to cover all that ground, I need to make sure my dog is going to respond to odor as soon as they get into the space. They're going to react and like work it, and they're going to tell me about it. If I can have that faith, that trust that my dog is going to do those things, I'm going to be able to have more faith in them, but I'm not going to have to come back to a space. I can say, we're done, we're moving forward.